Hello students, welcome back to my channel. We were studying the chapter light और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे मिरर फॉर्मूला एंड विल डू इट्स न्यूमेरिकल्स. चैप्टर लाइट. आज हम करेंगे मिरर फॉर्मूला एंड इट्स न्यूमेरिकल्स. नाउ व्हाट इज द मिरर फॉर्मूला? Mirror formula is the relation between object distance, image distance and the focal length of the spherical mirrors. Mirror formula. Mirror formula क्या होता है? 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f, where u is the object distance, v is the image distance, and small f is the focal length of mirror. कनकेव मिरर के लिए फोकल लेंथ नेगेटिव होगा और कन्वेक्स लेंस के लिए जो फोकल लेंथ होगा वो पॉजिटिव होगा. फॉर कनकेव मिरर f is equal to negative and for convex mirror f positive होगा. So mirror formula is 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f. Now we will solve some numericals of the mirror formula. Now suppose in a convex mirror the object distance is 15 centimeter. We have given a convex mirror where the object is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter from the convex mirror, and the focal length of the mirror is 20 centimeter. The focal length of the convex mirror is 20 centimeter. We are set to find the image distance. We have to find the image distance. So we will apply the mirror formula. We know mirror formula is 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f. This is the convex mirror. So focal length will be plus 20 centimeter, and we know the object distance is taken in negative, it will be minus 15 centimeter. We have to calculate v. Now putting these values we get minus 1 upon 15, 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon 20. So taking minus 1 upon 15 to this side, we will get 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon 20 plus 1 by 15. We will get the LCM of 1 upon 20 and 1 upon 115 is, its LCM will be 15 for 60. Its LCM will be 60. So it will come 3, 60 divided by 15, 4. So we will get v is equal to 60 by 7 centimeter. That comes out to be 56, that is 8.4 means 5 centimeter. So we will get 8.5 centimeter as the image distance. So what we will do, we have done that this is the convex mirror. The object distance is 15 centimeter and the focal length is 20 centimeter. So we applied the mirror formula, that is 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f. फोकल लेंथ कितनी दी हुई है, 20 सेंटीमीटर दी हुई है, और जो ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस है वो कितना है, -15 सेंटीमीटर। सो हमने वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट की तो हमारा v कितना आ गया, 60/7, that is 8.5 सेंटीमीटर। नाउ वी विल डू अनदर क्वेश्चन। Before doing that, let's discuss the concept of linear magnification. What is magnification? Now magnification means what is the size of the image we are getting with respect to the object size. That is the size of the image with respect to the size of the object. Its formula is given by, in case of mirrors, m is equal to -v upon u. V is the image distance and u is the object distance. It is equal to the size of image. We will denote it with it capital I upon size of object. We will denote it by capital O. So magnification formula is -v upon u is equal to I upon O. This is the linear magnification. Size of the image with respect to the size of the object. Now we will do some questions. Suppose in the convex mirror the radius of curvature is 3 meter. If the object distance is u is 5 meter, we have to calculate the image distance, that is v. This is a convex mirror. We have to calculate v and nature and size of the image. Now we have given radius of curvature. We know that the relation between radius of curvature and focal length is r is equal to 2 into focal length. From here we can calculate the focal length. F comes out to be r by 2, that is 3/2 meter. Now we have to calculate v and the nature and the size of the image. Size means magnification. We know the mirror formula is 1 upon u upon 1 upon v plus 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f. Now we know the value of u, that is -1 upon 5. We have to calculate v. Focal length is 3/2, so we can write it as 2/3. So 1 upon v is equal to 2/3 plus 1/5. So 1 upon v, its LCM will be 15. 15 divided by 3, 5, 10 plus 15 divided by 5, 3. So v comes out to be 15/13 centimeter. So this is the image position. Now we have to calculate the magnification of the mirror. Its formula is -v upon u. We know that value of v is 15/13. and u is -5. So we get 5 by 13 as the magnification of the mirror. So image distance is v is equal to 15 by 13 and magnification comes out to be 5 by 13. So nature of the convex mirror and the image formation is virtual and erect, and magnification comes out to be 5 by 13 and the image distance is 15 by 13 centimeter. So I hope you understand this question. Now we will do another question. Now we will do one question of the concave mirror. सपोज हमें एक concave mirror दिया गया है जिसकी फोकल लेंथ कितनी है, फोकल लेंथ concave mirror f is equal to 15 सेंटीमीटर, एंड जो हमें इमेज का डिस्टेंस दिया गया है वो कितना दिया गया है, v is equal to 30 centimeter. We have to calculate the u, that is object distance, and we have to tell the nature and the size of the image. So applying the mirror formula, we know that in the case of concave mirror the focal length is negative, so we will have f is equal to minus 15 centimeter and v is equal to minus 30 centimeter. So putting these values we will get there will be so u comes out to be minus 30 centimeter. So this is the third case of the concave mirror where the object distance is equal to the image distance. So in this case the image formed will be real and inverted, and the size of the image will be same as that of the size of the object. This is the third case of concave mirror. So I hope you understand this question. So this is I am trying to teach you. Now let's do one more question. Suppose we have given a concave mirror. Where the object distance is 20 centimeter and the focal length is 30 centimeter. We have to calculate the image distance. That is, we have to find v. Suppose the size of the object v, O is given as 5 centimeter. We have to calculate the size of image. So we have to calculate these things. Now solving this numerical. ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस 20 सेंटीमीटर दिया हुआ है तो पुट करेंगे हम. फोकल लेंथ कनकेव मिरर के केस में क्या होगी, नेगेटिव होगी. सो -1/30. सो इसका एलसीएम क्या आएगा, 60. -3 -2. So V comes out to be 60 centimeter. We have calculated the image distance, that is comes out to be 60 centimeter. Now हमने और क्या कैलकुलेट करना है, size of the image. We know the relation, that is minus v upon u is equal to I upon o. v हमें पता है माइनस ये 60 आ गया, u हमें पता कितना है -20, i हमने कैलकुलेट करना है और ये हमें पता है 5 है. सो ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 3 आ जाएगा, तो इमेज कितनी आ गई, इमेज का साइज कितना आ गया 15 सेंटीमीटर. So in this case the image distance comes out to be 60 centimeter and the image size comes out to be 15 centimeter, and we can see that the size of image is very large as compared to the size of the object. And from positive value of v we can say that this is the last case of the concave mirror, which is the sixth case where the object is placed between P and F and the image is found behind the mirror. The positive V tells us that image is found behind the mirror. So its nature is virtual and erect. And the size of the image is very large as compared to the size of the object. So today we had done different type of questions on the mirror formula. So in the next lecture we will do different cases of the lens and we will discuss the power of the lenses. Thank you.